stay positive, keep your head high, keep your chin up, keep the love flowing. Say hi to your neighbours, the people. Be a loving source and shine your light. And look after yourself. Keep yourself healthy. Healthy, happy and wise. And clued in. And I'll see you again in another video. Lots of love. Take care. Thanks for watching. Woo! Woohoo! Look at nature, guys. She's so beautiful. I love Mother Earth so much, and Gaia. And the sun, I mean. Ah, so beautiful. I love the birds extensively. I'm gonna light a fire when I go back. It's that time of the day for fire. We collect the firewood from the beaches. It's free wood, driftwood. And I thanked all of the trees from everywhere it could have come in from the sea. Come in far away, you know. It's always good to connect with your food. Give gratitude and thanks to Gaia, Mother Earth, our home, our mama, our mother. Without her, she gives birth to us basically. She homes us, she feeds us. That's your mama right there. How beautiful could she be? All the microbes, insects, plants and animals is Gaia. The elements of the air, the earth and the rain and the water. All of the waters, air and the earth is all Gaia. And then there's the sun. Different entity, different, the two of them are humongous consciousnesses. They rock, they rule. I love them so much. I love talking to nature, the plants, animals, insects, microbes. Appreciate all of them. They're the best. My favorite.